Hi, my name is Carl and this is my channel Gadgets and Tech. Today I will show you how to remove Soundflower. This specific MacBook is running macOS Mojave, but you can do this also for Catalina. First, open the same disk image that you used for installing Soundflower. I will also put the link in the description. Here you will find a script file for uninstalling Soundflower. Press the play button to run the script, and then you must enter your administration password and you will get the confirmation that it's done. Another way of doing this that I find very reliable is to simply paste the commands in the terminal window. Copy only the part inside the quotations. I also put all commands down in the descriptions. After you've done this, it's very important that you restart your computer, otherwise you can get some serious problems. Once you have restarted your computer, Soundflower shouldn't be in your system any longer. Just to be certain, you can search for Soundflower.txt in the terminal. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.